Hello, Serious Survivor here. And it's been a while since I put out a video. I had a couple people reach out to me recently and asked me what's going on. And I looked back on the channel and I didn't really realize it'd been about 4 months since I've released a video. And I do apologize for that. I want to put out as many videos as I can, and I want to talk about as many subjects as we can talk about, and hopefully we can help somebody along the way. But the main reason is just the things that have been going on, especially with my job, with the COVID and the lockdowns. Then we experienced a lot of, odd as it may seem, longer hours. I was actually working a lot longer hours and working more days of the week, and time just slipped by. And I wasn't able to get out any videos, and kept meaning to, but just time just passed before I knew exactly how long it had been. And recently, a few months back, I had announced a giveaway of an NBC CBRN complete setup, and that was going to be given away at 50,000 subscribers. But I've decided that this weekend coming up, I'm going to go ahead and give this away. Even though the channel isn't close to 50,000 yet, I want to go ahead and give this away. Seems like the right time to be doing it. So this weekend I'll be putting out a video, and I'll be actually executing a live cast. This will be my first live broadcast, and I feel like maybe it'll be easier for me to get the live cast out, especially since I've been so crunched for time lately. I don't really have much time for editing videos. So I'm going to prepare a few subjects to talk about, and it's not going to be one of those live casts where I ask you to donate money to me or anything like that. Nothing like that. I'm going to try and answer as many of the questions as I can answer, and we'll be researching things real time. And this will be this coming Saturday. So on the 19th, keep an eye on the channel, and we'll be doing a live cast. Also during that live cast, whoever tunes into it, between the people that are watching and commenting, one of you are going to get the CBRN kit, and I'll be shipping it out to you as soon as possible. I'll also be announcing another giveaway. I've got a lot of gear. A lot of people are familiar with the fact that I moved up here to Michigan from South Carolina to take a job up here, and it's been a really great opportunity, although things haven't really worked out the way that I expected them to, and that's mainly due to everything that's going on in the world. But I'll also be announcing Saturday a new giveaway I'm going to be doing, because when I moved up here to Michigan, I know that my primary location is still in South Carolina. That's still where I live technically, and that's where I'm going to be if shit hits the fan, or that's where I'm going to go to when shit hits the fan. And that may be sooner than later, as a lot of us know. We see a lot of turmoil going on right now. A lot of turmoil that doesn't seem like there's an end to it. There's not really a solution. There's nothing that can be said or nothing that can be done that's actually going to simply bring an end to all the rioting, all the violence that we're seeing, all the division, all the hatred. We're going to talk a lot more about that Saturday. The whole purpose of this video, I really just wanted to touch base to everybody that has enjoyed watching the channel, everybody that's contributed to it. And I wanted to let you know that I haven't gone anywhere. Even though I haven't been here and been putting out videos, I haven't gone anywhere. I'm back now, and I'm gonna be putting out videos on a regular basis. And I'll be taking requests, certain topics that people want to talk about. And on the live cast this weekend, feel free to ask any questions you want, and we'll dive into them, and we'll look for some solutions. We'll look for some answers, and we'll talk about a lot of different things. So thanks a lot for sticking in there and staying subscribed to the channel. There's a lot more to come, and don't forget, this Saturday there's going to be a giveaway. I'll put an announcement on the channel Friday night or Saturday morning with the exact time that I'll be starting the live cast. So keep an eye for that. And once that's started, we'll let it get started a little bit and let people get in there, and then whoever happens to show up will be one of the lucky ones that wins the full complete CBRN kit, along with a radiation detector. So I want to say thanks a lot for everybody who's stuck in there with the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. For now, Serious Survivor out.